with another exciting video. Over here, we are just going to see three best plugins for Figma. So it's related to icons. So I just prefer three best plugins. You can guys also download and install those plugin in your Figma. So these are the best in top Figma plugin for icon libraries. So let's see what are those. First one is feather icons. So this is the best library you can see, and over here you can see 287 plus icons with variety of like very smooth and very pleasant looking icons present over here. Every icon is defined as a like, just wait, yeah, every single icon contains multiple strokes, and those strokes can be changed by you according to your preference, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, whatever, you can just modulate according to your preferences. Number 2, the best second plugin is lucid icons. This contains a huge library of 1530 icons. You can see very huge library, so you can use it. Like similarly, these icons are flatten icons. Few, I think, flatten, not, it's not flatten, it's also contains stroke. You can just modulate your stroke, but the variety of icons are much more higher than feather icon. Okay, so you can use multiple icon type, lucid user, and you can use it in different cases, in your mobile phone or in your lap, in your website design, any place. You can just put it that and just go with the flow. You can resize the size. If you want 24 pixel you can, or you just want 42 pixel, you can highlight that. But yes, like this you can go further. Number 3, huge icon. If you are free, over here you can see the variety, like stroked field, solid field, uh, like tone, two tone, dual tone, solid, bulk, variety of icon type. You can see multiple, like it's contain, I think, more than 5000, yeah, more than 5000 plus icons you can see over here. So hell lot of categories is present over here. You can just use it very smoothly. uh, you can see I have opened. Yes, this is so cool. Like these icons are also stroked. Like you can easily modulate every single part of this icon according to your preferences. I just want 5 stroke to make it feel. No, let's go with 3. Let's go with 2. Cool. So like this. That's all for today. See you soon with another video. If you have any suggestion for best icon pack, do let me know. I will just do a dedicated video for any specific plugin you are using right now in your Figma. And just do like, share and subscribe. Signing off. Bye bye.